Good morning, viewers. I am Pragya Khurana, your occupational therapist. Let's start with the news today. Now, the medical news. Delhi's third Serum survey finds 25% population exposed to COVID 19. Serum Institute of India to make 10 crore more COVID 19 vaccines doses to be sold at maximum 221 rupees. Serum Institute will make 20 crore doses under the deal. Reliance Industries subsidiary Reliance Life Sciences has developed an RT-PCR kit that can give COVID-19 results in 2 hours. Kit shows 98.7% sensitivity, 98.8% specificity. US President Donald Trump hospitalized after testing positive for COVID-19. White House press secretary said Trump will work in a special suit at the hospital. He is fatigued but in good spirits. India becomes third country to report over 1 lakh COVID-19 deaths. Australian biotech company NR Respiratory has said a nasal spray that it is developing to improve human immune system or to fight common cold and flu significantly reduced coronavirus growth in a recent study on animals. An Australian scientist lets up to 5,000 mosquitoes bite his arm on a daily basis as a part of his research to fight dengue fever. The insects Peran ross feeds are infected with Welbachia, a bacterium known to block the spread of dengue. Russia will supply 2.5 crore doses of its COVID-19 vaccine Sputnik V vaccine to Nepal. Nepal has reported 76,258 COVID-19 cases. Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation along with Tata Institute of Fundamental Research will conduct random tests to assess the kind of antibodies generated among the surveyed people. The test will compare the presence of two antibodies, anti-spike antibody RBD and anti-neocapsid antibodies. 380 whales die in worst mass stranding in Australia's history. Occasional news. Delhi University will release first cut-off list for the UG admissions on October 12. A total of 72 Gurugram primary schools are being upgraded to model Sanskrit schools as a part of Haryana government's aim to improve standard of education. Students studying in grades 6 to 8 will have bagless classes for a period of 10 days as per suggestions of National Education Policy 2020. IIT JEE Advanced Exam results will be declared on October 5. The Jawaharlal Nehru University entrance examination will be conducted from October 5 to October 8 in 2 shifts. Education Minister said first year college classes to begin from November 1st. A 24-year-old student from Kerala bagged 18 of the total 48 gold medals at the National Law School of India University. Andhra Pradesh CM has announced to reopen schools from 2nd of November. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar has announced that girls who pass intermediate exams will be given 25,000 rupees, while those who graduate will get 50,000 rupees. As a financial aid, teacher covers body in tattoos, turns his eye black, banned from kindergarten. He's been allowed to teach children over the age of 6. Kerala's Arathi Raghunath has made a world record at the Universal Record Forum for completing 350 online courses in 3 months. Arathi is a second year MSc Biochemistry student at MES College. New Delhi Municipal Council has flagged off bicycle tour to promote physical activities. India gifts 41 ambulances and 6 school buses to Nepal on Gandhi Jayanti. Theatres will reopen from October 15 with 50% of capacity as government announces new guidelines. A 46-year-old woman from Colombia, missing since 2018, was found floating alive in the sea a few kilometers off the coast. Angelica, the missing woman, said she ran away from home due to domestic violence and began living on the street and then a shelter. Thank you guys for watching the video. Stay tuned, stay connected. Bye bye.